Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fast Cars and Bikes. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this cars videos, today I will show you a latest and in fashion Lamborghini and Audi cars models ideas. My dear friends, today I will show you a hottest models with fast cars ideas. If you have to follow all high class men, evening parties boys, universities fellow friend, colleges going friend, senior citizens, businessmen, and much more about all women and girls will most demanding these cars models ideas. All these cars will change your personality and will amaze your luxury lifestyle. So my dear friends, let's talk about today's trending fashion about these cars, and all these cars will today's trend. If you love to follow trend, you will follow more than latest and in fashion models like BMW car, city car, Audi car, Lamborghini car, hypercar, Bugatti cars, and much more about the latest and in fashion cars models ideas. All these cars will change your personality and luxury your lifestyle. My dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social medias account like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of cars models videos do you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. Till then, take care. Please like, share and subscribe my all videos. Thank you once again. Bye bye.